Good morning, good afternoon, good evening. Welcome everybody. Welcome back to the channel. It just finished raining, so fortunately for nobody, I have 2 hours to work on whatever this video is about until it starts raining again. So like this video, you know what I'm saying? Because that's dedication, commitment for real, you know what I'm saying? Alright, so if y'all went and watched the last video, you saw that we got these wheels that I'm currently sitting on. We dropped the car, we didn't adjust the fitment. In the front, the car was completely sitting on the wheel. So obviously you can't drive like that, and I had to raise the car half an inch, and I hate looking at it because the fitment is all messed up. So I've had these camber arms that's been sitting in my room, and we're going to be replacing these now because we were going to replace them when we did the coilovers, but after putting the coilovers on, I didn't really see a reason to put them in immediately because I didn't have wheels that were this aggressive. So now we're putting them in. And from the videos that I've seen, I'm pretty sure it's not too hard to do. You just got to take this little clamp out. That's a 14 millimeter. There's two 14 millimeters on each side. After that, you just got to move this strut out the way, hammer this out, undo those 14 millimeters on each side, and just replace the part, and that's it. Okay, so I don't know what the problem is with putting these things in, because those little gaps right there are too small for this. I don't know if you gotta sand these down or something, or really what the issue is, because that has nothing on it. It's just some rubber boots. But this is like, these are a lot thicker than that. So I don't understand how they expected us to put this in, other than just jamming them into place. Like that is not very functional. Okay, so I don't know how long this video is, but I always get to the point where I can't record actually tightening this camber arm back into place. But this is the part where I had trouble with on the first side. So I have this part loosened. As you can see, I'm moving it. So make sure you keep that loose. And one video I watched, this guy had a problem with his nut and washer, saying that the nut did not fit with the washer, and when they took the washer off, it was too far extended without it. But he had a 3IS. This is a 2IS, so I don't know if there are any differences in the suspension, but just beware of that. I'm about to knock this back in place and then max it out, and I'll put y'all down until then. All right, so we're back. I just put this stud through the strut, and this is what that guy meant, but I didn't tighten it down all the way, so I'm gonna have a lot more space when I'm finished, and then I'm about to put the pin in. So this is what we're about to see. Oh, well. Oh, it's not. Oh, that scared the mess out of me. I forgot, yeah. This is me, not really. I'm still learning about stuff. So pushing that in, that scared me. I thought I broke something. But yeah, y'all can see probably just a little bit. That hole right there is literally right there. So I'm gonna tighten it just a little more so I can have some more play in it and put the pin in. All right, so this is the finished product. As you can see, I got it maxed out. I have it pushed all the way towards the coilover. So this is gonna have my wheels tilted in so where I'm not gonna rub on all of this anymore, hopefully. So I'm gonna lower this side a 1/4 of an inch because I already did the other side. So I'm gonna just show y'all the process of what I did this time. For anybody who don't know, who's not used to working on their cars, and you know, because obviously this is a new channel, so everybody who's new to working on their cars, this is a beginner friendly channel, you know what I'm saying? All right, we just lowered it 1/2 inch. The distance between this and this, what I was measuring on the ruler when I started, was 3 3¾ of an inch, and now it's 3½ inches. So it's 3½ inches on both sides. I'm about to put the wheels back on, and yeah. All right, the wheels are back on. I can low-key see the camber already. That's kind of fire. Let's see what it looks like on the ground. Oh, I was about to tear my bumper off with that thing. All right. Woo! Ooh-wee. Look at that. Oh my goodness. Ooh.
Much better. Much better.
Oh my gosh, guys. Oh my goodness. I'm like that. I'm like that. I'm like that. Oh my goodness. Look at that. Look at that, dude. Oh my goodness. What? What? Come on, bro. That's perfect. That is so perfect, bro. Man, now all I just need is to roll the fenders on the front and the back, and I can lower it as much as I want to now. Oh my gosh. Yes, sir. Man, I like this. I like this a lot. I have some fronts coming in soon, some front tires, because I know once, I don't know when the last video is going to go out, but these tires are too tall, and I'm pretty sure I'm gonna get comments about them. They're already on the way, so yeah, there's that. Man, I'm tired, bro. The total amount of time it took for me to do this was around 1 hour and 20 minutes. Granted, I had to keep looking for my tools. So if I had all my tools, if I have everything handy, this would take the average guy at least 1 hour to do. If you're a professional, probably 30 minutes. If you have a lift, even half that. So this wasn't too bad. I was very frustrated at times, but the more you work on your car, guys, the easier things are to do. And ever since me and my boy did the coilovers, I'm just like, you know what, I'm not really afraid to touch this car as I used to be. So that's what led me to do the camber arms, because I'm like, man, the tires are literally rubbing everywhere. Like, look how big this tire is. I don't like rubber band tires, but I like something a little skinnier than this. And y'all can see like my fender liner is hanging. Like I should have cut that off, to be honest, but it's too late. I don't really care. But I'm sure when the suspension settles it's probably going to camber in a little bit more, and I can't wait. I'm glad I lowered it a little bit more while it was already up, because the fitment was just so bad when I first put the wheels on and had to lift it. I'm just like, no, get somebody else to do it. We gotta fix this. So yeah, man, thank you all for watching. I hope y'all learned something today or got something out of this video, and see y'all in the next one. If you're new, subscribe, like the video. We have a lot of goods coming for this car. If it wasn't raining, I probably would have got it off in this video, but stay tuned for the next one. I'll see y'all later. Peace.